What is CIM? Computer Integrated Manufacturing, or CIM, is the manufacturing approach of using computers to control the production process. It combines several different technologies to provide an error-free manufacturing process that reduces manual labor and automates repetitive tasks. CIM relies on a closed-loop system based on sensors for real-time feedback. There are several parts that contribute to computer integrated manufacturing. These include CAD and CAM software, CAP systems, CNC machines, PLCs and PACs, robotics, networks, monitoring equipment, and more. The key challenges to computer integrated manufacturing are the integration of components from different suppliers, data integrity, and process control. Computer integrated manufacturing is used in industrial and product engineering, mechanical engineering, and electronic design automation. It reduces downtime, increases productivity, and lowers manufacturing costs, while offering greater flexibility, quality, and responsiveness to the manufacturing process. If you like this information on computer integrated manufacturing, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. For general information about Radwell, visit us on the web at radwell.com or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching!